Hi sir, today I want to say something about my mentor. Uh, she is giving us training about how to develop a website in which she is right now covering hypertext markup language and sorry to say her name. Actually, her name is Silpani Khare, and she's really a good mentor because the way she is teaching, like uh, she has been experienced because she is teaching us well, and while she teaching us, uh, you cannot arise a question because she clears all the doubts one by one and topic by topic. That is why you cannot arise a question. Maybe you think a lot, then you can only arise one question. Once you can you arise a question, she will tell you, just wait, once I will finish my topic, then I can only reply you. Because while teaching, while covering a topic, if you arise a question in between, the problem will arise and we cannot clear you properly. That is why after finishing the topic, you can tell me what you need to do, what you need to ask. And really amazing technique. She is explaining us how to means how to cover the HTML, because without HTML you cannot develop a website. uh, and maybe after few minutes I will be online, and I will be taking class from her. And she is I'm trying to do my best to be a website developer, and she is helping us. So as of now, bye, thank you.